Israel recognized Somaliland, but why? Israel just recognized a place that most of the world doesn't even call a country. And why? Because if this one decision, Africa, Middle East, and the Red Sea region are suddenly very uncomfortable. So what's really going on? First, understand what is Somaliland. Somaliland is a region in the Horn of Africa. 1991 में जब सोमालिया में सिविल वॉर था तब सोमालीलैंड सेपरेट और इंडिपेंडेंट हो गया था. तब से it has its own government, its own elections and much more stability than Somalia. But Somaliland is still legally considered as part of Somalia by the United Nations and almost every country. इसका मतलब सोमालिया सोमालीलैंड अपनी टेरिटरी मानता है, right? And the world officially agrees with Somalia. So अभी इजराइल ने officially Somaliland को recognize किया है as an independent country. Why Israel did this? The answer is not in the ideology, it's in the map. Somaliland एक ऐसे एरिया में है जो रेड सी के बिल्कुल पास है. दैट इज बाब el-Mandeb स्ट्रेट के पास. ये वही जगह है जहां से दुनिया का ऑयल और ट्रेड गुजरता है. नाउ इट्स वेरी क्लियर. और जब रेड सी अनसेफ हो रहा है, इजराइल अपनी सिक्योरिटी को दूर से प्रोटेक्ट नहीं कर सकता. सो सोमालीलैंड को रिकॉग्नाइज करना इजराइल के लिए एक तरीका है, कह सकते हैं, रीजन में प्रेजेंस बढ़ाने का, थ्रेट्स को पहले डिटेक्ट करने का और अपने ट्रेड रूट्स को सिक्योर करने का. इट्स अ सिक्योरिटी ड्रिवन डिसीजन मोर ओवर. बस had to be a controversial matter, and this matters because Israel became the first UN member state to do so. Now, recognition is a political and legal statement, not just friendship. In geopolitics, recognition changes maps and not emotions. So Somalia had to react. It says that this is a violation of our sovereignty. Why? Because Somalia believes Somaliland is a part of Somalia. No foreign country has the right to recognize it separately. And this is how countries state territorial claims. Now, what about the world? How is world reacting? Here is a bigger fear. Precedent. Precedent means if one country does this, others might follow. Africa has many regions that want to break away. Ethnic regions hai, political movements hai, old colonial borders hai. So the fear is that if Somaliland is recognized so easily, other regions may demand the same. And that's why the African Union and Arab countries oppose this move. Their worry is very simple. Changing borders can reopen old conflicts. And this situation, therefore, is not Israel versus Somalia. Israel already recognizes Somalia. So the real issue is international law versus strategic interest. Stability versus leverage, maps versus power. Israel sees strategic value near the Red Sea. Africa sees the risk of border instability. And the world is watching. Will others follow Israel or stop here? So this decision is not about liking Somaliland. It's about how power works in today's world. Law matters, but the strategy often decides. And that's why the recognition matters. If you want geopolitics explained clearly, calmly, and with full context, please follow and subscribe.